What do you mean we get on?
I mean, I get
Mr. Born in the 80s, so I've heard of the 80s.
Yeah, I flew through them. Since we're having fun, let's do something fun here, all right? So we like to do what's called the fun lightning round questions, right? So fun lightning round questions for energy and clips. So, ready?
Okay.
Here we go. Weirdest thing that you found inside a return bin?
The back of the return was a door to a little grow house area that the homeowner didn't realize her son was doing as a side job.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.